Wriggle me this, wriggle me that, and guess me this wriggle and perhaps not. Going to town, eating popcorn. Coming from town, eating popcorn. What that? It is the car wheel. The Queen of Morocco sent to the Queen of Sheba for a double sailing vessel come through your skin, your flesh, and your bone. What is the answer? The answer is ring. The double sailing vessel, it come through your skin, your flesh, and your bone. That is ring. All right. I remember back in the days, before we go to bed, we used to talk some like a Anansi story about Brother Anansi and Brother Tukuma. Yes, we enjoy our youthful days. And sometimes when the parents think we gone to bed, we in the bed attack. But we can't make them hear we. My father used to go to church at night time, you know. So you see when he go to church, we come out of the house as picnic. And my father used to have a flashlight, you know. That time we live up on the hill. So you see, anytime we see the flashlight come, we run up on the hill breathless. Breathless. Tongue there with my friend a play. In the night, you know. A play. Water war. Go up and dry off and take off clothes. My grandmother, you know, when my grandma used to walk very far, about 36 miles, she get up from before day cloud a cut, you know, man. So you see when she come a country, she a carry one basket of mango, apple, yam, banana, and she a wake up every Chapman door out of them bed, you know. Come. Get up out of bed. Get up out of bed and come sweep up your yard. Get up and come tie out goat. Get up and come feed fowl. Boy, them the days that it rough and tough, you know. You think a little water make you up on my head. You think a little cutter me make and put on my head. And lift up a pan of water and put on my head. And carry up that hill. Sometimes when my father wait pan the water for boil tea, you know, me sit down on a pipe and me skylark and me gillarton with all my friends, you know. Sometimes them have to wait 1-2 hours before they can get all of the water, you know. Because that is the only time I can get to play when me go for water. Yes. So, those were the days, the good old days. That time you have to broke all the brew weed, you know. And to sweep the yard with the brew weed or the coconut bunker, you know. And when your mother no have no soap all to wash all the plate, them man, you think you get way. You say, all right, plate now go wash today. You know what happened? She a give you pumpkin leaf to wash the plate. Because pumpkin leaf it take out the grease out of the plate. Or give you susumba leaf to wash the plate. One thing me can look back upon them the days they and say, it has taught me a lot. Meaning that I learned to live within my means. I make myself comfortable in whatever situation me go into. Me make myself feel at home. And if me come at your yard and you drink sugar and water, lemonade, boiled dumpling and butter, I will feast with you because I've been there and I've done that and I know where I'm coming from. All when me reach where me I go now, me still a look back and say, those were the good old days. Them picnic, yeah. Should have glad them know about flush toilet because in my days, it was the pit toilet. Sometime when you look down in some of them pit toilet there, man, and you see all them cockroaches there, you want to run out. But one thing, our parents, then keep them toilet, as we then call it the latrine, proper. You have a red walkie latrine. And make sure you sweep out in there. That time I'll inspect our grown, and I inspect toilet. So you have to keep your toilet spick and pan. Because if too much water come up in the toilet at a certain level, inspector I tell you, so you have to dump up that the toilet and make different toilet. Whoa, it was sweet like beard out at one beard in a pan. But at Christmas time, you know say water a little bit cold. And as picnic, we love the water like a fish, But you see, when it come on to the early morning, we no want to bathe in the cold water. No, not at all. So what me would I do? Would I put the water in the sun for warm? So when the water warm in the sun now, it's sweet. Rain a fall, you chip off your clothes, you go out a door, catch the water where you run off a roof, and you start your shower out a door. You see all when me go to Portland, whoa, what nice so. You get to go down at the beach, and after you go down at the beach and soak yourself in the water, you beard out a door under the pipe. Nothing no nice so. And then you come in at the house with the whole heap of sand on your foot. One of the day, I carry my little daughter at the beach. She said, if the beach now go down in at the night. I said, no, this a water run forever. May I tell you, them days it is sweet because when the food are cooked on the wood fire, especially the rundown when it a go down to custard, whoa, what sweet. So them the time the food is nice. When you eat food, you lick your 10 finger. Yes, you lick your finger and lick out all the pot. All when your mother boil porridge, and you get the porridge pot for crepe out. Whoa! And the rice and peas bun. And the Sunday Monday. Whoa! One eye so. Bring back the good old days. You remember the Rexo polish? The Genie floor polish? You remember Dulcimania? That time everybody have a little Dulcimania, Everybody have a little Dulcimania grip. And when short pants used to wear, the boy them in a short pants, and when they start wear long pants now, people start laugh off of them. You're in a 3/4 drape. Or you take your measurement in a water. Boy, we parents used to give us some bus ass. Some ass used to bust there. But one thing, them always believe in a Jesus. And Jesus can do everything for you. And them say, them surrender all to Jesus. And them coming up on the rough side of the mountain. And Jesus fi build a fence all around them every day. Morning a prayer. Evening a prayer. Because God always come true for them. And then teach you and say, yes, you have to call upon God. And one thing them always say to you, children, obey your parents. That was like a song, you know it by heart. When we used to do a little bush cooking and cook a bush, whoa, what sweet so. My father was a butcher, you know. And when he gone and he give me meat, you know, man. Me take out extra meat and go burn me little pot down a bush. And then we start to skate and skate off with Batama. Look here. Skate off your clothes. When you look hole in a dress, hole in a skirt, hole in a underwear. Because you skate off it. Down at one place we used to call the Brockway. And in our house, when we're in a fall, you get the crocus bag. And me make my brother then draw me pan the crocus bag and me draw them pan the crocus bag too. And we have the bunker. The bunker. My brother used to make cat and he make a cat and he just run down the gully with we. Sometimes we bruise up. But guess what? That never stop we from have fun. We never have the luxurious toys to play with like where we see the little picnic have this gadget and gadget. No, we have to make with one gadget. You make your one telephone. Hello? We make with one gadget. We never have them the luxurious life. And your mother give you some plat figure school. We call them cow horn. Yeah, we used to call them cow horn. You go to school, people laugh off of you. And everybody could afford the little bubbles them or something. Then they start get bubbles and elastic. Boy, if them days they could have come back. Them your picnic, I should have enjoyed some of them the days there. When you go to school with half a book and half a pencil. When you not do well in a school, teacher jump up all on the desktop and run you down to do your work. Please like, please comment, please share, and please subscribe to this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a like on this video. Please share this video. Thank you.